Welcome to SARM's Railway Grade Crossing Information Sharing videos. First off, we'd like to mention some safety items. We recommend you wear some personal protective equipment while you're taking these measurements, at minimum a high visibility vest. And while you're out on the road, never turn your back to oncoming traffic unless you have a spotter that can watch that traffic for you. We're now going to measure the shoulder width of this crossing. For most municipal roads though, I assume that you will not have a shoulder width to measure, just as we do here. So as such, you can put a 0 or you can leave that field blank on your paperwork and on the information sharing form. If you did, for instance, have a shoulder because your road was built up or some similar situation, you would measure from the outside of what you considered the traveled lane, as we did earlier with the existing width, and you'd measure to the outside of what you considered the shoulder. So as here, we could consider that the outside of our traveled lanes. You would measure out to wherever you thought your shoulder ended. You'd have to measure this also on both sides of the road. As on the forms, they are labeled for approach 1, which would be traffic this direction, and approach 2, which would be traffic going the other way.